work on is a classroom study guide. And I gave you the basic information of fashion history. What I'm asking you all to do is take it and make it your own, because everybody learns a little bit differently. We're going to use this form of technology called Padlet, so everybody will have access to what you create and what you make, okay? And I'm going to explain how everything works and where to access it in just a second. So first of all, what we need to know, the objective of this assignment is to provide information about your one specific decade. So everybody signed up for their decades, and I'm going to show you that when we go to the Padlet in a minute. Just for that decade, I want you to take this information, the cultural, the fashion influences, and the trends, and put it in a more fun and creative format. So I'm going to actually show you what Padlet is first, and then we're going to use our knowledge, and you're going to use the classroom template to go ahead and make your own. So my dashboard will probably look a little different than yours because I have already used this several times. The reason that I want to show you this website is because in your other classes, if you ever need to make a classroom presentation, it's something different, more interactive than just PowerPoint and Google Slides. So I'm going to use one of these Padlets that I've already started. For the one that we're going to be involved with, I've already made it, but I just want to show you how this works. So I was playing around with this one earlier. This is what it looks like. You can go in and put your title. It says My Distinguished Palette, and it looks kind of like a blog post or a news feed. Over here, this pink button, you can add posts, so it automatically puts that post up at the top. You can say, yay, it's Friday. On your post, you can do your title, and then you can type a message or any content. So it gives you notes there, and then you have all these different dialogue options. So you can add an attachment, you can add a video, pictures. You can pull and post documents that you've already made and add them here. For hours, I've already put these posts on here, which I'll show you in a second. So all you'll need to do is hover over and get these edit options. When we get to ours, we don't need to delete anything, but we want to edit with the edit pin. This is the trash can, so try not to trash it, but let's say fashion doesn't rock. I can just delete it, and it's gone. Up here are different options. If you go to settings, I made my background for this one a giraffe because I love giraffes, but you don't have to do that. You can choose from several different templates, or you can add your own. The other thing, you can change how your posts are arranged. So right now we're in stream, and I'll show you stream again in a second for hours, but you can make it freeform. So if I wanted it to be freeform, I can move these guys anywhere I want, and you can put them in different positions. You can hide them behind one another, or grid. So if you're a more organized person, you can put them in grid and it'll automatically do it for you. Once you're on this page, if you scroll through, you should see a box with your name in it. If your name is not in a box, it means you did not sign up for a decade or you were absent last class. So the reason we want to be very careful here is if you accidentally hit a delete box, it will delete everything and it'll change our order. So we're going in order of fashion history, early civilization, all the way through till 2015. So scroll through and make sure that you can see these boxes. And then what I want you to do is find the box with your name and type us a little message. We're going to delete them, but I want to show you how you can collaborate and work on it web-based all at once.